Hi again, sewing friends. It's me, Alice Murray. We're at day 38 of 365 days of Sewing Makes. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Please like it. I would appreciate that so much. And today, I want to tell you kind of a tale of woe that ended in a happy way. You've seen this before, Butterick 6416 on day 16, I believe. I showed it to you. It was a navy blue top with polka dots. It has kind of one piece yoke and sleeves and a slit in the front and a seam in the back. And I'll show you this version and then tell you the sad story about it. It has, as you can see, very giant ruffled sleeves. Made out of a crepe. It's a black crepe, some pink flowers on it. Very kind of a lightweight woven, nice drape to it. I thought it was pretty. I thought I could make this into a dress. So I made 3/4 sleeves on it and made it long. Well, it looked a lot like a potato sack. Like there was no shape to it. There wasn't enough, it was just straight down, so there wasn't enough volume of fabric for it to drape very nicely. There was no waist seam. It was not flattering, let's just say. And so what I did was I cut off the skirt, which I had added. I cut it off. I cut it in half lengthwise, and I put half on one sleeve and half on the other sleeve. So it's a very generous, let's use the word generous ruffle. I think there should be some sort of mariachi band playing in the background when I'm wearing it. But I don't know. I think it turned out okay. I'd love to hear what you think. I have paired it today with the Quick Sew 3807 jeans that I made. And this top, it makes me think of when I wore it. I wore it to a casino fundraising where I had to work at a casino on behalf of an organization to raise funds for our community. And the organization that I worked with to raise the funds took the funds and they created a community garden. And I did a very small part of this. Working at the casino was easy and fun. I got to wear my fancy top, which I thought fit right in with the casino vibe. And other people did all the hard work of creating the community garden. And this year was the first year the community used it, and it was wonderful. Added a real, bit of beauty and greenery in the middle of our little village. And so my grateful thread today is I am very grateful for the tiny little village that we live next to, and the people that live in it. That living in a small community is like living in a large family. Everybody looks out for everybody. So I'm grateful that this dress that started out kind of as a disaster became kind of a very wild top that contributed in some way to a small way, very small way, to a beautiful community garden that's in our community now. So if you have stories of any community fundraising in your community that you'd like to share in the comments below, I'd love to hear it. And I hope you're sewing, because even when it fails, often you can rescue it and make something else out of it. So I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun.